Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you are a forensic science student or a postgraduate, then this video is going to be very important for you. I am Sister Sina, a member of Shivi Forensics, and today in this video, I'll be discussing about the FACT and FACT Plus 2026 examination. So, FACT basically stands for Forensic Aptitude and Caliber Test, and this is the all India examination which aims to test the understanding, skills, and aptitude of forensic science, uh, along with the FACT, which is a basic level of examination for postgraduate candidates. We have FACT Plus, which is an advanced level of examination for candidates who have already cleared their NET, GATE, or GPAT examination. This examination will help you in future recruitments by FSLs and other such agencies. So, the registration, the application form has already started for this examination from the 7th of April, and the last date for application is 10th of May. The date of this examination, according to the earlier published notification, it was on 24th of May, but now, according to the updated one, it's on 30th. It's on 30th of May. So let me correct this. Yes, and this examination is of 2 hours. You can see 2 hours. Fact examination will be conducted between 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and Fact Plus examination will be conducted between 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay, so the next thing which we will be discussing about will be the structure of examination. So this examination consists of 120 MCQ questions in two parts, section A and section B. This examination will be of 2 hours. I've already told you that. And section A consists of 50 questions, which will be mandatory for all the candidates. This will test the aptitude in forensic science. And the second section, section B, will consist of 70 questions from one of the specialization you will be choosing, and these are the 5 specialization from which you have to choose, right? uh, for Which is forensic ballistics and physical science, forensic document examination, forensic chemical sciences, for digital forensics, and forensic psychology. There will be no negative marking, so you can attempt the questions wisely. So, and one more thing, if you are a final year student of forensic science post graduation, you can also apply for this examination. And if you are already a postgraduate, definitely you should attempt this examination. Next, we will be discussing the syllabus for FACT 2026. So this is a brief syllabus which I'll be discussing here, and the long format of this syllabus is available on the website of NFSU Delhi, which we will provide the link in the description below. You can check it out. Definitely you should check the longer version, but here I'll be discussing the briefer version. So the first section, section A, which tests the aptitude in forensic science, it will be asking questions related to general knowledge, general English, aptitude and reasoning, fundamental basics of fundamental basics of forensic science and disciplines of forensic science, types of evidences, source, significance, and how forensic investigation takes place, quality control, quality assurance in analysis of evidence material, class and individual characteristics of material evidence, also important thing, techniques and instrumentation for evidence analysis, and basics of statistics, which you have already might have heard about, probability, mean, median, mode, these things. You know, also, there can be questions from the expert testimony in court of law and different laws and acts, CRPC and IPC, which is relevant to forensic science. There can be questions from the ethics in forensic science. And for those candidates who has chosen specialization in forensic psychology, the syllabus also, of section A includes questions from criminology, psychology, and reasoning of forensic science as well. Now, next, we will be discussing about the syllabus of section B, which is a specialization subject. So, the first specialization which we'll be discussing about will be forensic physics and forensic ballistics. So, the syllabus of forensic physics includes general guideline for physical evidence and its collection method, analytical instrument and techniques which is used in forensic physics, pattern evidence, essentials of mathematics and statistics in forensic physics, forensic voice authentication, forensic video analysis, criminalistics and forensic engineering, and collision and investigation and reconstruction, right? And for forensic ballistics, the syllabus includes firearm and ammunition, their classification, basis of classification types, other stuff, and physical evidence and their clues of handling of evidence, internal ballistics, external ballistics, and terminal ballistics. It also includes topics like class and individual characteristics of fired bullet and ammunition, linkage of firearm, determination of range of fire, chemical tests for examination and identification of GSR, shooter identification, instrumentation techniques like AAS, NA, which whatever instrumentation which is used in forensic ballistics mostly, these will be asked. Along with that, there will be questions from Arms Act and Arms Rule 2016. So this is the first specialization which we discussed here. The second specialization, which is forensic document examination, syllabus of this includes state of art of equipment, care, handling and preservation, packaging, marking and forwarding of forensic document photography, nature and scope of forensic document examination and its limitation, general and individual writing characteristics and their definition and their different. This is a very vast topic, and there are many subtopics in this topic, so you need to study all of that. Type of forgeries and their detection. One second, what is this? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, type of forgeries and their detection methods, principle, working and identification of uh, different printers, and as there will be question from NABL guideline for accreditation of forensic science laboratories. Yes, this is an important thing. The third specialization will be the digital forensics, in which these are the major topics which I'll be discussing, but there are many subtopics which you can check in the longer format of syllabus. And syllabus of digital forensic includes computer forensics, network forensic, mobile and wireless device forensics, social media and forensics, and cryptography. Fourth specialization, which is forensic chemical sciences, it includes forensic chemistry 1 and 2. It discusses about the alcohol and petroleum and different kind of uh, stuff which are examined in forensic chemical sciences, right? And the second is forensic toxicology, first and second, poisons and everything, and instrumentation techniques, first and second. You can check the vast syllabus in in the longer format of syllabus. And forensic psychology, it includes the topic of psychology, forensic psychology, criminology, aptitude in forensic science, and reasoning. So this is an overall syllabus. This is a briefer version. You can check the longer version from the link in the description. And registration fee for this examination, if you have to register for both the examination, you have to fill form for both the examinations separately. And you can either attempt any one of them, or you can just attempt for both as well. And the fees for that of general category male is 1500 rupees for both the examination, and for females it is 750 rupees. And for other category students like OBC, SC, ST, the fees for both the examination is 750 rupees only. and this must be paid via debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI only. Yes, and the examination centers will be in these eight mentioned cities like Agartala, Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Gandhinagar, Guwahati, Mumbai, and Nagpur. Right? These are the eight cities allotted for the center of this examination. So I hope this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and all the very best for the examination. And if you have any queue, please drop your question in the comment box, like the video, and subscribe the channel. And for more updates, keep following Civi Forensics. Thank you so much once again.